Understanding updated fixtures in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, updated fixtures. This term is often used in contexts related to housing, interior design, and real estate. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means. Updated fixtures is a compound phrase in English. Let's break it down. Updated refers to something that has been made more modern or has been improved. Fixtures are items that are fixed or attached to a property in a semi-permanent way. These can include lighting, sinks, toilets, or cabinets. Understanding each word helps us grasp the full meaning of the phrase. Now, let's see how updated fixtures is used in real-life scenarios. Real estate listings. The house comes with updated fixtures, including modern lighting and a new kitchen sink. Interior design. Our renovation plan includes updating fixtures to give the home a more contemporary look. Maintenance conversations. We've updated the fixtures in the bathroom to fix the leakage issue. In each case, the phrase signifies improvement or modernization of the property's permanent components. Understanding phrases like updated fixtures is crucial, especially in specific contexts. Real estate transactions. Knowing this term can help in making informed decisions about buying or renting a property. Home improvement discussions. It aids in communicating effectively with contractors or designers about renovation needs. Being familiar with such phrases enhances clarity and precision in communication. And that's a wrap on updated fixtures. We hope this video has helped clarify this commonly used term in the English language, especially in the context of housing and real estate. Remember, learning such specific phrases can greatly enhance your English comprehension and communication skills. See you in our next video, and keep learning.